Okay, setting up the Wi-Fi module for the RCT inverters. Do download the app needed from the Play Store for the correct inverter you're about to use. Infini Solar Inverters uses the Solar Power app. Expert Inverters uses the Watch Power app. In this case, I'm going to set up a Expert Inverter, so I do need to download the Watch Power app and install it. When it's installed, do create an account. That's your very first step basically to do. I've already logged in, created an account. At the moment you can see I do not have any devices connected. Wi-Fi config. Confirm connected Wi-Fi module. Now it's telling you to connect to the inverter. If you click on it, it will actually tell you your phone is currently not connected. Go to your Wi-Fi connections and search for the Wi-Fi module you're trying to install. In this case, this is the unit I'm looking for. That is the actual Wi-Fi module. You will find the barcode next to your RJ45 connectors on the inverter. That is the login you need to use. Once you connect it to the Wi-Fi module, you can go back to your app and now you can click confirm. It's asking you for your router. Now do remember to use a 2.4 gigahertz router. Do not find a 5 gigahertz router because it's not going to use. So make sure the router or the connection you're about to connect to now need to be a 2.4. Connect, put in your password. Okay, now that that has been done, this is the part that I generally feel the wheels is coming off. Currently connected to the Wi-Fi repairs link I've just connected. That is a 2.4 router. Click on confirm. Your phone is currently connected to Wi-Fi. So now it's actually telling you to connect your phone again, your module. Once the module is connected, go back to your device, diagnose successful. That is what you want to see. Go back and you can actually see here Wi-Fi configuration is successful. So now we can go back and log in. Network abnormal. Click on your actual router that you need to use. Connect it. Let's log in. Add a device. It's asking you for that serial number, the Wi-Fi module ID on the unit. I'm going to type it in manually. Added successful. Go now. We've already did the Wi-Fi module setup. And there we go.